Commercial code check from page 5 of Code Check Commercial 2010. We'll be developing our own code check guide that's more current, but here's the free one. Construction types, height, and area limitations. Your buildings must be classified by type according to Table 6 in the IBC 2009 602.1. That's available freely online at the ICC code site. Building size, height, and area are limited by occupancy and type per a similar table that's in 503.1. Here's a sweet photo of like an indoor bazaar that who knows what type of building that is. The building setbacks and openings. When we're talking about fire resistance, the exterior walls must be fire resistance rated according to 602.1. If the fire separation distance is greater than 10 feet, the interior fire resistance rating is used, and if it is not, you rate it from both sides. The fire separation distance is measured perpendicular to the wall. The fire separation distance is also measured to the closest lot line, the center of the street, if they're the center line of the street if it's toward the street, or an imaginary line between two buildings if it's on the same lot. For existing and new buildings on the same lot, this imaginary line must comply with these two tables, 7 and 8, and 705.3 for the existing building, unless or except if two or more buildings on the same lot are treated as the same building when they comply with the height and area limitations of 503.1 for the most restrictive occupancy that applies. The allowable openings. The maximum allowable area is according to Table 8 and 705.8.1 unless it's the wall facing the street with 15 feet of fire separation distance allowed, or where the exterior is not required to be fire resistant. There, the unlimited openings are allowed as well. Fire rated glass must follow the fire door, fire shutter, fire window assembly guidelines, unless the building's fully sprinklered and exterior openings are water curtain protected with automatic sprinklers. In that case, the fire protection is not required. Any projections out from the exterior wall's face toward the lot line must be the minimum of the following three conditions. When the protected openings are required, it's 1/3 the distance. Where unprotected openings are allowed or the building is sprinklered, it's half the distance. And where openings are prohibited, it's 12 inches into the area. That is page 5 of Code Check Commercial. Thanks again.